Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to buy Solana on Binance. Firstly, visit the Binance website, then sign up or verify your identity. Log in with your Binance account again, then click Buy the Crypto link from the top navigation menu. Choose Solana as the cryptocurrency and USD as the fiat currency. Use the drop-down menu to make your selection. Specify the USD amount you wish to spend, from $15 to $15,000. Binance will calculate how much Solana you will receive. Select Card as your payment method, then click Confirm to proceed. Click Add New Card and enter your credit or debit card information. Confirm your details by clicking Confirm. Now review the order details on the payment confirmation page. Click the refresh button if you need a new quote, then click Confirm to place the order. You'll be redirected to your bank's OTP transaction page. Just follow the instructions to verify your payment. And once the transaction is complete, your Solana will be available in your spot wallet. You've successfully purchased Solana on Binance. And that's it guys. Please don't forget to subscribe.